Hello, good morning, students. Today we will study about the trichomes. What are trichomes? The trichomes include different types of unicellular or multicellular appendages of the epidermis. These are at times so much characterized that they have been successfully used in taxonomy in the classification of genera and species. Trichomes are found both on vegetative as well as reproductive part and it may be a living or dead, epidermal or persistent and variable in nature, form, and function. Foliar trichomes are important in regulation of moisture exchange with the atmosphere. Covering hairs have been found in the plant for the defense action against the phytophagous insect. Secretory trichomes for providing chemical defense against insect and stringing hair for protecting the plant from animal. Effort in 1952 classified trichome on the basis of morphological character. The important characteristics are as follows. They are the non-granular trichome. These may be of two types. They are unicellular trichome. These are in fact simple epidermal elongation which may be straight or curved, bifurcate at apex, Y-shaped or T-shaped. Unicellular trichomes of cannabinoids are highly silicified with a watery protuberance. B is the multicellular trichomes. These may be branched or unbranched, consisting of a single row of cells or several rows of cells. The uniseriate trichomes may be vesiculated type, terminal cell bladder like as in Chenopodium, or capitate or subcapitate type. These hair often shows peculiar branching. Some of them give dendroid or tree-like appearance as in mimosa and plantainus, or the branches come out of in one plane giving it a stellate or star shape appendage as in Althea. Sometimes these hair consist of disc-like plate of cells arranged on a short stalk such as pelted hair or scale of oleum. The multicellular saggy hairs of Portulaca consist of several contiguous rows of cells. Second, granular type of trichome. Granular trichome include unicellular or multicellular trichome which secrete a sticky substance. These are of various shape. The simplest are stigmatic papillae, which are epidermal extension. The simple multicellular trichome consists of one or few cell stalk and a multicellular head. In Tabermontana and Viola, saggy glands consisting of multicellular central core of cell surrounded by a layer of palisade-like elongated secretory cells are found. The insectivorous plant have digestive glands which are another type of the granular trichome. In Eutrica dioica, specialized granular trichomes referred to as stringing hairs are found. They possess a peculiar type of cell structure for releasing the content of the gland. These are unicellular structure with a broad calcified lower end and long fine capillary-like silicified upper end. Their base remain covered with collar-like growth of epidermal cell. The tip of their hair breaks off when it comes in contact with the skin of an animal. The sharp edge penetrate into the skin and inject the irritating content which is rich in histamine and acetylcholine. In leaves and young stem, of some plant, epidermal cell have greatly distended and serve as a water reservoir. These are often called ice bead. Certain halophytes such as Distichylus spicata have interesting granular trichome which are called salt gland. The salt gland consists of two cells, larger basal cell and a cap cell that protrude above the surface. Salt gland probably help in the removal of excessive salt. In a triplex, the salt gland has a narrow stalk cell and a bladder. Salt gland in mangrove plant consists of two cell foot, single cell stalk and a head of 3 to 4 salt secreting cell. Thank you.